Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Microsoft Whiteboard and signing in with your teaching account. Once done, create a new board and name it clearly so you can find it later. Make sure to adjust sharing. Invite your students as viewers to present or as contributors when you want collaboration. Add a simple structure, title area, objectives, and a space for activities, so you and the class start with focus. This establishes access and clarity before you add content or tools. Now focus on building the lesson. Pick a template or create sections with shapes and colors so students know the flow. Add sticky notes for prompts, import images or PDFs for reference, and use the pen to annotate in real time. This helps explain concepts visually. Once students are invited, enable collaboration for group work, but lock essential instructions to prevent accidental edits. As you work, pause to test a tool or ask one student to interact. Finish by saving or exporting the board and sharing the link so students can review after class. Once done, run a short recap on the board and assign follow-up tasks using sticky notes or a task list. This turns the session into actionable learning. If something goes wrong, make sure to check permissions first, then confirm browser or app version and the sync status. If participants can't edit, re-invite them with correct roles. If content won't load, refresh and retry import.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.